So on being accountable, um, for the longest time, I have not made my family, my very small family, mind you, but we're still family, sit at the dinner table to have supper. And I'm starting to understand the importance of sitting together and that time to talk. I know he's gonna put up a fight for the first couple days. That's fine. But my son and I will be eating at the dinner table together starting tonight. I did tell him last week, so he's been warned. There will be no TV. We will be sitting together and we will be eating. So hopefully it goes well. I'll keep you guys updated on that.